I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. Cause niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in us. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, 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 only stepping for a check. Stepper, 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 gotta step on niggas.
I have like 2 cars banned here already.
Bro?
Yeah, we brought the G-Wagon and I shot a couple flames while revving it.
Something on the freeway smacked my bumper, so it's time to get a Type R bumper now. That's probably the most like comfortable bucket seats I've ever like been in. But like getting in wise, it's hard as hell. Yeah, but these though, you don't move at all though. They hug you like you're... I think I'm gonna need new tires. It's this company called Wheels of Carbon.
Oh yeah, you need some new ones. Those are good. We got some, like 50%, 60%.
Yeah, I think it's this one to where on the inner part, because my camber, the inner part, yeah, is like damn near on fucking wires, I think.
Gone. Yeah, I bet it is.
Yeah. A new wrap and wheels coming soon though. Shit, well technically, shit, this is gonna be a whole new car, new wheels, new suspension. I'm doing cause delivery next week. Fucking everything, shit. It's past due. It's cool though, yeah. And then the new front bumper ASAP. That shit is annoying as hell.
That look me.
It's nice, like the carbon roof.
This other guy with the Evo.
I want a GT.
Is it white?
So bad.
No, it's the red Evo. It's Suzy Racing.
Oh yeah, okay, I heard it.
The
Yeah.
homie Suzy was about to go against this GT 500. Homie didn't want to tell us what was under his engine. They want to open the engine. So like, let's just run it. 800 horsepower. 800 real horsepower Evo.
That's crazy.
I would think it's not gonna lose. 760 horsepower stock.
Yeah, okay.
At the end of the day, that fucking Mustang walks on me after like 5th gear. Like 100
Fuck.
left.
That's crazy. Yeah.
Left.
I'm not gonna lie, them Mustangs, though. You can make Mustangs.
Like 850 wheel. That's fucked up.
Oh yeah, if somebody don't want to tell you or show you what's under the hood, yeah, don't fuck with him. Don't do that.
You just know.
Yeah. Oh, he's on bags over here.
Yeah.
He's definitely on bags.
Yeah, for sure. M4 CS too. Oh yeah. Bag GDCS.
Yeah, I was like, yeah, there's no way this car is not on bags. Yeah, I guarantee one of these cars will gap y'all. We got the Teslas over there. The OG Bronco. It's hard. And we got trying to buy a vet. But it's nice with some good tires in the back. I like this one too. Yeah, that's hard. I like the color. The color with that green. That peanut butter interior. Damn. Oh, that's hard.
It slips a lot. Like first, second, third.
If it him a gold digger right here. See, this is a small ass trunk. Can't fit nothing up here. You gotta keep the battery. Gotta keep that battery everywhere.
Oh yeah.
Damn.
It has the spec sheet too. Here came with Apple CarPlay, all the carbon fiber stuff.
That's hard.
Yeah.
Shit better come with CarPlay.
Tell you what tires it came with stock.
That's
24 wheels.
Yeah.
High motion, emission.
Look at this.
That's cool. Series
Sure.
and everything.
That's everything right there. I ain't trying to show the VIN number. Shit. Damn.
Quack for the license plate.
Yeah. Dang, that shit is hard though. It sounds good too though. I like how it sounds. Cause I like any car with bright ass colors. Like cars with bright colors.
100 miles?
Fire. Yeah.
I like the perfs a lot. Our perf is nothing value.
100.
Shit.
The convertible one's not as much. I like the one in the front.
Oh yeah, I like the hard tops more because it's like the soft tops looks weird though.
Yeah.
Like unless the car is black, if it's a random color, it looks weird.
This kid's young.
Yeah.
That's sick.
And he definitely at least like fucking, I'm saying like 14.
14, 15.
Yeah, definitely like 14.
You got the dad in the passenger.
Fuck it. That's crazy.
Strike pause in the sun. The green?
Yeah, because you see the flakes in it too.
Yeah. Hella
Yeah,
flake.
them flakes are hard. Yeah.
It does go well with the peanut butter.
That do perfect. Oh, shit, peanut butter jelly. Perfect, yeah. It's perfect there. You see you see the flakes in there a lot too. I do like the skate though. Shit. None. No trunk space. Yeah.
And you have to take the top off for the trunk space.
Yeah, hell no. I found down like full carbon though. Shit, full carbon engine cover. Full carbon. Tinted tail lights. That's nice. He has lights in his engine bay.
Oh, it lights up the engine bay.
That's hard. That's not gonna lie. A full carbon everywhere. I would get a C8 though.
Good.
Yeah, 01s. They.
Fourth gear, you're like spinning.
Yeah, 01s like from factory. You don't fucking hook. So I like this color. This track on that blue. I like that blue. It's nice. Still need one.
Stock tires.
I still need one. This is
That's brand new.
yeah. Shit, brand new fucking Traco 2 literally. Yeah, come on, phone, I'm trying to get him a damn grand. Yeah, that is a brand new car. Yeah, his dealer place is still on there.
It looks a little high.
Yeah,
The homie just
But he got
sent us
lowered.
to Florida for the 1,000 horsepower pack.
oh shit. Now the thing is, I feel like with track cars you can like do anything with them. Shit. Yeah, it's gonna hook. It's awful fucking dry. So
Things a lot like I seen one stock on Instagram. He had the B58
Yeah.
BMW, the white one,
yeah.
800 wheel, and he ended up getting a TTRS.
I was going to RS7.
Turbo and two, and they're like
That's it.
800 for like $5,000.
This is nice. Shout out to him with a Supra. Stay tuned. I'll be making content with him soon because he has a launch edition Supra with the red interior. This is actually hard. New
5s, 30s.
shit.
That's pretty thick.
For electric car though, I'm not gonna lie, it look good. It look like a
Like 3 seconds.
yeah.
Like two.
Yes.
2.9.
I'm saying like 2.5 at the absolute most. I like that. That is RS E-Tran GT. I like that color, that blue, and that roof. Yeah, full panoramic. That's hard. See the Z01 over there.
3 seconds flat.
3?
Yeah, 637 horsepower with overboost.
Damn.
Makes 590 without it.
That's fast as hell.
Smoking
And
scat
it's
packs and
quiet.
shit.
Yeah, and it's quiet, so you won't get a tick for anything besides
They
speeding.
don't even give you exhaust pipes
Yeah.
for that. Oh yeah, right?
This green, crazy. Damn. The wheels is tight too. Carbon. Or carbon roof. Hood. Damn. Everybody's leaving right now.
You see his tires, everything.
What type of seats is these?
Oh yeah. Manual.
Damn. This is crazy as hell. Yeah, I don't even know what the fuck I'm looking at, but damn.
All types of shit. This is just all support. Catch
That
cans
is
and shit.
hard. Badass tight too.
Intakes.
Yeah, his exhaust gotta go. Oh shit. Damn. Right here. McLaren or Skyline? I'm not gonna lie, I'm going Skyline. That green carbon is hard. Yeah, that green carbon is hard. I like that green carbon. Damn. VSPEC. That green. This green carbon is hard. I'm not gonna lie, because it matches the purple.
Yeah.
Fuck.
How many got the speakers?
This green.
Oh,
This
yeah.
green carbon is so hard.
It's Tokyo drift bopping at night. Sliding.
He's on some,
Right hand
yeah.
drive.
That's mandatory. Damn, you see the flakes in the paint. He's on. Yeah, that's hard. That shit, look at the paint.
Tires are old.
Brand new.
I still got the same shades. I lost my shades.
I told him the tires are bald. He goes, they're brand new. That shit
Damn,
is
they're
bald as hell.
This bike fast, got 1,000. This bike fast as hell. That's yeah, I know his cold start in the morning is brutal. His cold start in the morning, his cold start is brutal. Fuck. That's just fast as fuck, I ain't gonna lie. Damn. Super. His plate says Supra with 2 O's and U. It's hard. Damn, fat tire. That's just crazy. I'm one of the fast guys. This is a fast guy right here. Damn. That shit's so crazy on the freeway. I don't know what this is, but it's right-hand drive. What is this? A Toyota Tour S Mark II. That's nice. Broncos. This color is nice. What's a wrap? Damn. Loud. Not for sure.
Yes, sir.
I'm
Good
sure we got
seeing you,
some
actually.
shit.
It's been a minute.
That's been shit since it's been like a couple months. So yeah. Oh, yeah, we gotta link up more, especially when I get my new car. Yeah, we
Hit me up.
out here, but up for sure. Now be safe.
Have a good day.
You too, bro. Shout out to the homie. We got his got the truck right there. Tell me this color isn't hard though. With the white, green flakes. The flaky is all in the green with the red stripe with the white. Like Corvette. That's nice. Just be out already. Comment, subscribe. Cause you know, man, you gotta just do it, man. Oh, I see a RX-7 over there. I didn't see that this whole time. That's a nice RX-7. Bag Tesla with the bike. I'm not gonna lie. Comment down below and let me know what y'all think of the of like the bikes on top of the car, because I always wanted to do that, but I know I have my sunroof always open, so I don't think that would work out. Got an S2000, a banana, and an orange, and it's super loud right here. But yeah, man, if you guys enjoy today's content. The one time I'm here, Josh is in Michigan, so yeah. But video's over, man. I'm gonna go to Chick-fil-A. So like, comment, give y'all start up real quick. Yeah, it took a while for my car to start up. Hey man, I don't know what's going on, but yeah, man, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. Cause niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in, no, sir. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, 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 only stepping for a check. Stepper, stepper, stepper.